To set up Face Unlock on Nothing phone, you will have to open Settings. Next, you will have to start scrolling until you find Security and Privacy. And right now, go into Device Unlock, select Face Unlock. Now you will have to also choose this normal screen lock method. So in my case, I'm gonna go for Pattern Lock. There we go. We can set the lock screen notifications right now. And you will have to click to setup. You will have to take a look inside of this selfie camera, show up your face right here, and just keep holding and take a look straight into the camera. There we go. Now as you can see, the face data was added, so we can click done and it will be finished. You can also add another face if you want. You can skip swipe to unlock, or for example, you can unlock with mask. So you will have to actually set it up one more time.